Greeting to everyone that already joined. Hopefully that you are stay in good shape. Yeah, I would like to again, not reminder, but I'm going to just inform that our task in writing task one, there are six tasks, six different types of tasks. Yeah, the first one is that we did already about bar chart. Yeah, and then the second type is the line chart that we also did last time. Yeah, and so far that I admire all of you because then you can manage in doing in not in a proper time, but finish all until paragraph 4. Okay, and the third task is the one that we are going to do today, is the type of diagram. Yeah, diagram, which is a process of making things, or the process of natural things that happen, or the process of recycle process. Yeah, that's what we call a process diagram process. Okay, there are certain structure that you have to be followed. Yeah, like what's supposed to be in paragraph one, which is only the introduction, giving the title of the diagram, and then after that mentioning the opening statement. The opening statement, it is very important because then it can give us opportunity to create one whole paragraph. So the category of paragraph, ya, one paragraph itu must consist minimum two sentences. Okay. So if you give the opening statement and then it is not breaking the rules, right? Yeah, that's why I always suggest give opening statement like that, so you can make a whole paragraph. Turn to paragraph 2, always conclusion. Yes, for the type 1, for the task 1 in IELTS, you are going to mention, if you see picture like this, yeah, it's a process, right? And then you mention how many stages or how many steps in the process of preparation, the process itself, and then the ending. Like this one, yeah, you can see that there is preparation process by growing the oranges and then ripening of the oranges until harvesting. Those are the process of preparation. Okay, but the process itself do not mention in the conclusion. Yeah, you are going to do that in paragraph 3 and 4. I'm very sorry, the bottom one on the left side, yeah, that is not paragraph 3 and 3, but paragraph 3 and paragraph 4 at the bottom. Ya, jadi di bawah itu paragraf 4. Oke. So in conclusion itu nggak usah terlalu detail, cuma bilang there are preparation process, the process itself, and the ending process ya. But you have to mention what type of the process that happen. Nah, what type the process that happen itu ada 3 proses. There are 3 process ya. Series process, parallel process, and cyclic process. Series process is for the process from the beginning, continue to the next step, third step, fourth step, after that, until the product is done. Jadi dia proses yang lurus dari awal sampai selesai. Ya. But the parallel process itu ada 2 proses yang terjadi awalnya bersamaan dan kemudian bareng-bareng di satu titik bertemu menghasilkan produk tertentu. Contohnya, when you are making sardines, ya, the process of sardine itu can-nya atau kalengnya itu kan dicetak dulu ya di suatu pabrik. Di pabrik yang lain, ikannya dicuci, dibersihkan, terus proses itu berjalan. Nah, berbarengan dan kemudian pada suatu titik the proses antara si kaleng dengan si sarden yang udah jadi dijadiin satu kan. Nah, itulah yang dinamakan parallel process. So there are two process, at the end it become one process ya, to create a product. Proses yang ketiga itu cyclic process. Cycle proses itu terjadi seperti recycle paper, atau telur sama ayam, which one come first ya, itu cyclic process. Nah, di paragraf 2 harus menyebutkan prosesnya seperti apa. Like in here, there are a series process of making orange juice. This diagram perform a series process ya. Nah, ini series prosesnya di depan dihilangin aja sebetulnya. Jadi langsung overall di paragraf 2 ya. There are series process of making orange juice which conclude 12 steps. Misalnya seperti itu ya. Jadi di situ disebutkan di overall. Ada dua lagi fungsinya. Kenapa? Karena conclusion itu kan pendek ya. Dia cuma nyebutin ada the process of preparing orange juice, the process of the orange juice are being extracted until the end. Itu kan pendek satu kalimat. Nah, supaya jadi dua kalimat, paragraf 2-nya, makanya kita mention aja the process name-nya. Oke. So it's safe two sentences. Paragraf ketiga, you elaborate the beginning process. Tadi preparation prosesnya apa aja dijelaskan. Terus elaborate juga proses yang terjadi. Jadi setelah preparation, itu kan ada di depannya. Ada grading, sorting, juice extraction. Yaitu semua prosesnya yang sedang terjadi. Nah, pakainya tesisnya beda-beda. Yang pas preparation, pakainya past tense. Ya, pas elaborate the process, pas jelasin prosesnya sendiri, pakai present or present continuous. Begitu masuk ke paragraf 4, karena mau cerita tentang produk yang dihasilkan, at the end, pakainya future. Cara-cara ini penting supaya kalian bisa meningkatkan your overall score nanti. Pokoknya kalau mau buat beasiswa atau minimal ya masuk ke talent scouting UI misalnya, itu minimalnya bandnya 6. Nah, itu kita harus perform beberapa tenses. Nggak bisa cuma satu tenses. Kecuali kalau prosesnya itu cyclic proses atau recycle. Kalau recycle atau cycle process, that you have to use memang all harus di present tense atau present continuous. Karena kan dia muter terus ya, nggak ada awalan, nggak ada tiba. Oke. So, I already explained about step by step what's supposed to be put in first until fourth paragraph ya. Any question until here? All good? I can continue. Mr. Yuda, is it quite clear, sir?
Yes, Miss.
Yes. Yuda, how is the weather there? Is it quite windy ya? Big wind ya in your area? Okay, so if it is quite clear to everyone, I would like the two of you reading the passage. I will choose Miss Haya. Miss Haya, would you mind reading the English sentences or the English sample of the diagram, yeah? And after that, it will be repeated by Miss Wulan, yeah? Reading the English one only, Miss Haya. You can start, Miss. Not too fast, yeah?
Okay.
Yes.
Diagram 10. The diagram illustrates the steps for the process of making orange juice to be transported to the shop. In the next paragraphs, I will elaborate the process in details. Overall, there are series process of making orange juice which conclude 12 steps. This diagram performs a series process. At first, it is the stage of taking the fresh orange from the tree. Secondly, the oranges are being delivered to a factory by using a truck. After that, the oranges are not only being graded to choose the good quality orange but also being sorted out by a machine into juice extraction. Subsequently, the juice are being evaporated and extracted by a water. Later on, the juice is being concentrated and kept in refrigerated storage. directly, the juice are being canned in a machine. Moreover, it will be shipped to have the final process. Finally, in the last step, it will be added with water to concentrate them to become an orange juice product. That's all,
Thank
Miss.
you very much, Miss Haya. Yeah. Now, I would like to ask Miss Wulan to read only first
Jadi
paragraph
berapa? Aku kirim ke
paragraph ya.
kamu. Coba
Paragraf
teruskan dulu kedua.
1 dan paragraf 2 aja. Oke? Can you do that, Miss Wulan? Oh, Miss Wulan is not here. So, Mr. Respati, would you mind reading paragraph 1 until the last one, sir?
Diagram type until a series process, Miss.
The diagram illustrates the steps until juice product, sir.
Until juice product.
The English one.
Wait.
The one that Haya just read, sir. You
Okay, I
read.
try.
Mm-mm.
Diagram type. The diagram illustrates the steps for the process of making orange juice to be transported to the shop. In the next paragraphs, I will elaborate the process in details. Overall, there are series process of making orange juice which conclude 12 steps. This diagram perform a series process. At first, it is the stage of taking the fresh orange from the trees. Secondly, the oranges are being delivered to a factory by using a truck. After that, the oranges are not only being graded to choose the good quality orange, but also being sorted out by a machine into juice extraction. Subsequently, the juice are being evaporated and extracted by water. Enough, Miss?
Oh, until finish, sir. Until the fourth paragraph?
Later on, the juice is being concentrated and kept in refrigerated storage. Directly, the juices are being canned in a machine. Moreover, it will be shipped to have the final process. Finally, in the last stage, it will be added with water to concentrate them to become an orange juice product.
Yes, thank you. So we have twice of our friends reading this, yeah, and then imagine that you are doing the speaking session when you have to explain something, ya. You don't have to be very fast, ya. Jadi kalau di speaking session itu kalau bisa cepat-cepat like this, what Haya did and then what Mr. Respati did itu udah perfect, ya. Karena nggak ada yang bilang nilai speaking itu makin cepat makin bagus, no, ya. But it's more to your clarity, ya, clear, and then it's understandable related to the questions, ya. Habis itu melakukan proses of adding several tenses, performing good words or advanced words like that. Ya, okay. So this is the process, ya. The process of translating, ya, from picture into writing. So when you are writing, itu tanamkan dalam hati that with the person that read your story or your writing didn't see the picture, nggak ngeliat picture-nya, ya. So that mean you have to make it clear, ya. Paragraf pertama ngasih introduction yang jelas, oh ini proses apa gitu. Di overall dijelasin juga ini prosesnya terdiri dari three steps, ya. Three steps-nya itu diagram seperti apa. So finally, when people read your writing, they do understand without looking to the picture. That's the target of us. Okay? So without further delay, yes, I would like you to practice. If you don't mind, yeah, first and second paragraph first. Okay? I give you 10 minutes to do first and second paragraph. But before, I would like you to read the one on the left side about the linking words and also the verb itself. Yes. Let's try. I will read first, and then after that, I would like Miss Anna and Miss Wulan to read to read again, ya. Okay. So the linking words in here we have firstly, ya. Kalau ada firstly pasti ada secondly kayak gitu. So firstly, first of all, secondly, after that, from this, where, in a row, in turn, subsequently, ya. Those are linking words, kata hubung. Kata hubung yang bisa dipakai ditaruh karena kalau diagram ini memang dia butuh banget linking words ya, kan proses ya. Which one comes first, which one comes after. Okay. For the verb, it is a process of making something. Usually we need verb like prepare, enter, flow, process, heat, cool, pack, distribute, shipping, ya. All of these words, all of these verb can be put into the sentences, into the paragraph with different kind of tenses. Dia bisa muncul sebagai kalimat aktif yang ya, menyiapkan, but also can be into passive voice, disiapkan. So prepare dengan being prepare itu beda. Prepare menyiapkan. Kalau being prepare sedang dipersiapkan. Enter dengan will be entered itu berbeda. Yang satu memasuki, yang satu akan dimasuki. Seperti kayak gitu. Ya. Jadi pastikan kalian sure yang mau dipakai itu kalimat pasif, or di kalimat kalimat aktif atau di kalimat pasifnya. Oke, ya. Jadi nanti ada checking time. Gue mau bilang me apa bilang di ya gitu. Kalau bilang di baru pakainya passive voice ya. Nanti akan diberikan tabel untuk editing tenses ya. Ini ada kotak kecil nih, nanti akan Miss Ina besarkan. Oke, now hands on. What time is it now, Miss Ana? Miss Ana,
Sorry, Miss.
what time is it now?
The time is 19 o'clock past 37 minutes.
I would like you to read the linking words and the verb ya, Miss ya.
Okay.
Okay.
I'll start, Miss.
Yes, start.
Firstly, first of all, secondly, after that, from this, where, in a row, in turn, subsequently, prepare, enter, flow, process, heat, cool, pack, distribute, and shipping.
Okay. So, thank you. After that, Miss Wulan, would you mind reading the linking word, Miss Wulan, and verb also? Wulan bisa coba baca linking words. Kalau nggak bisa, nanti dikasih tahu. Sedikit-sedikit kita coba baca.
Firstly, first of all, secondly, after that, from this, where, in a row, in turn,
Subsequently,
prepare, enter, flow, process, heat, cool, pack, distribute, shipping.
Very good. Thank you. So, we all have our turn, yeah. Then we will take turn for other time. So, after this, what I would like to do in 10 minutes that you are going to write your paragraph 1 and paragraph 2, yeah. If you don't know the meaning, you can seek first for the Bahasa Indonesia one there. But I don't want you to copy from this, ya. Please do not copy. Tapi ganti-ganti, change dengan verb yang udah ada, ganti-ganti linking words-nya. Okay? Yeah. So, I let you do the task. I will write in chat that it will be ended in, if it is 10 minutes, that means 1949. 1949, submit your writing, ya. Paragraph 1 and paragraph 2. Thank you. Okay, I believe oh, still 2 more minutes, yeah. Miss Anna, if already done, you may continue, but let me see first, yeah, Miss Anna, yeah. The diagram explains the step for the process of making orange juice to be ready for consumption. In the next paragraph, I will describe this process in detail. Right? The diagram performs a series process. Overall, there are 12 steps of making orange juice from the plantation until it will be ready to drink. Excellent. You may continue to the third paragraph and fourth paragraph, yeah, where it is more detail. Okay. And if like my sample at the front, yeah, I would like you to elaborate them with different tenses, yeah. Past tense, present, and then future tense. Okay, Miss Anna?
Okay,
You.
Miss.
Miss Ais, I'm with you. Can you hear me, Miss Ais?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay. The diagram illustrates the step of making orange juice until it got transported to the market. In the next paragraph, I will describe the process in further details. As an overview, there are 12 stages in the process, and this diagram performs a series process. That's not exactly the same with the one that I make, right? Oh no, you change. Okay, here's the first and second paragraph. Oh, yeah. Okay, continue because it seems alike. Ya, ada lagi ya for the first one ya, kan ada the diagram illustrates. You can make the given diagrams illustrate, the supplied diagram perform, the supplied diagram depicts, the supplied paragraph elaborates. Okay, yeah. So try to be variant with the verb that is. Oh, I see. Before one can I already give sample ya. How to change some of the verb ya to describe explain. Here like this. I'll give this one to the group. All of you can see as well, yeah. Here how you are going to make your introduction. The given diagram or the supplied diagram or the shown diagram like that, yeah. And then shows or represents or depict, illustrates, blah, 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 blah. Okay. Yeah. When you have this already in Zoom and then you can in your WhatsApp, and then you can use anytime. Okay. You may continue, Miss Ais. Good one.
Thank you.
Welcome. I'm with you, Miss Haya. Can you hear me clearly, Miss? Miss Haya?
Yes, I can, Miss.
And let me give the overview, yes, of your paragraph 1 and 2. The diagram explains the process of making commercial orange juice. I will elaborate all the process in the upcoming paragraph. Very, very simple, but I don't see any mistake. Yes, only like if you wanted to be more developed with your first sentence, the supplied diagram explains like that. Yeah. Second paragraph. Overall, there are 12 stages in the process. The diagram perform a series process. You can change as well the word perform, yeah, with explain or show. Yeah, there are lots of synonyms to replace
Okay.
perform. Okay, otherwise it's gonna be like the one that I perform in my board. Yeah. Thank you, Miss Haya. You may continue third and fourth paragraph. Mr. Yuda, I'm with you. Are you ready?
Yes, Miss, I'm here.
Let's see. The diagram explains. Well, after my explanation before, yeah, can you change the diagram explains with other sentence? Like the given diagram, the supplied diagram. Okay. Supply diagram explains the process of making orange juice to distribute to the shop. Excellent. Subsequently, in the next paragraph, spelling paragraph, yes, P-A-R-A-G-R-A-P-H, paragraph. In this next paragraph, I will explain if already will itu bagian dari modals ya. Jadi habis will dia hanya bisa verb biasa atau verb base. Dia nggak diganti-ganti, nggak pakai S. I will explain like that. The process in detail. Itu typo proses ya, proses. Overall, this diagram performs. Karena diagram itu it. Kalau it, dia pakainya S verbnya. Ya, misalnya he, she, atau it, subjeknya, di verbnya harus ada S di belakang. Oke, that is present tense. Jadi diagram performs. She performs. He performs. Tapi kalau they, I, we, they, you, verbnya no need to put S. Okay.
Yes, Miss.
All this diagram performs a series process and making orange juice which conclude 12 steps. Boleh pakai N tapi jangan pakai titik ya. This diagram perform a series process and making orange juice. And make orange juice. Yes. You may continue, Mr. Yuda, after you edit, yeah?
Yes, Miss. Thank you.
Sure, sir. Mr. Ryan, let me give you the review of your writing, sir. The illustrations informs the flows of orange juice production in the factory. Actually, sir, there is nothing wrong with illustration. The problem, they want you to clearly describe what type of chart that you get. We have six type, right? Yeah. So illustration, it can be any type. You don't give any insight to your readers what type of data that you are performing. Yeah. So it is better that it will become the illustrated diagram, for example. Yeah. The illustrated diagram informs the flows of orange juice. Yeah. That means the word diagram appear. Okay, sir?
Okay, Miss.
The next one. In the upcoming paragraph, I will describe more of the details. Generally, there are 12 processes of orange juice making from the orange plantation harvest until they become packed juice. This picture represents a series process. Yes, the one with the picture, because you already mentioned diagram in the first paragraph, I'm okay, yeah, to change it with the picture only. Thank you, sir. You may continue after you edit. Yeah? Please do edit it one first.
Yeah, Miss.
Miss Velia, I'm with you. The given diagram depicts the step for the process, spelling process. Take a look at your spelling process.
Yes.
For the process of making orange juice to be sent to the market. In the next paragraph, I will elaborate all the process in details. Also spelling details. This is because in a hurry, you made two mistakes. Be careful with that. Yeah. It can be just a perfect writing. Yeah. we have to become our own editor. Okay, Miss? Overall, there are series process of producing orange juice which conclude 12 steps. This diagram performs a series of process. Okay. Firstly, it is the stage of harvesting the fresh oranges from the trees. Yeah. Can you explain? Yeah, that I know the sample is like that, but I would like you to focus with what's supposed to be in paragraph 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, everyone. Do not, if you are be able to write this, do not look the sample. Yeah. If you are the students who are studying already 20 session, yeah, do not look the sample. You look at the structure. Yeah. What I barely see in here, all of you copying the one in the sample, like you are just learning this. Don't be like that. That is for the high school students. If you are not high school anymore, do not copy from there. You use your idea. Okay? So I would like to all of you process the editing of the writing. Yeah. Follow what's supposed to be the step from paragraph 1 introduction until that. See that and then works well with your imagination. Because usually in the overall, yeah, in the overall, there is a series process. True, correct, yeah. But then I also write in the process of preparation, the process, and then the ending. Yeah. Okay. So I would like everyone, the one that already have lesson more than 10 times with me, please correct your writing starting now. Do not see the sample. Trust yourself. Next. Mr. Iwan, I'm with you, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So let's see, yeah. The diagram explain because this is present tense that it's supposed to be the diagram explains with S, yeah. The diagram explains the step of processing orange juice to be transported to the shop. Right. In the next paragraph, I will expand the detail of the process. Excellent. In general, there are 12 steps of processing orange juice. The diagram shows, yeah, with S, how to produce orange juice step by step from fresh orange juice into a canned orange juice in the nearby shops. This is more likely, it looks like introduction, yeah, sir. Yeah. In the conclusion, we should what you mentioned is actually some detail, yeah, which supposed to be in paragraph 3 and 4, yeah, like from orange juice fruit into can orange juice, ya, itu kan udah detail, ya. Nanti itu lebih baik di paragraph 3 and 4, ya. Lebih ke that, like the one in front of you here, like there are 12 steps of process orange juice from preparation and the process until the ending product, for example, like that, yeah, then done. Okay, I let you do the editing and continue third and fourth paragraph, yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay.
Everyone is already reaching 20:00. I will give my feedback to you into written feedback, yes. So I would like to leave the room. Yeah. You can still continue in the group here, okay? And then handing me in the writing into written text, okay? Yeah, so I would like everyone to finish until 4th paragraph, yeah? Thank you, everyone. Everything that I'm presenting actually already in our group, yeah? So sorry for tonight's session that it seems very fast, but I do hope that you can practice more by yourself anyway and give it to me in full set, okay? Is it okay if I leave the room right now, everyone?
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay,
thank
Miss.
you. The room can still open because I'm not the host. Yeah. Assalamualaikum.